What's going on? So, a couple things we got to do today. I need to swap out the 650 watt for this 1000 watt EVGA ATX power supply, and then we also need to get this new, used 1060 added in so that we should be probably close to like 225 to 230-ish megahash, something like that with this one. First up though, you can see, so rubbing alcohol, pads, paper towels, cotton balls. We have to get this taken apart so that we can put new thermal compound, which, let me grab that. I actually have some new ones that came in, so we need to put some new thermal compound, and then we will also need to install this guy right here. So we'll get to this in a minute. First we're going to do the GPU, and then we will get the new display put on so that we don't need the big bulky monitor anymore, and then we can start using the monitor for the second rig. So I'm going to go ahead and get this taken apart. And then I'm not going to show the thermal compound change. I'm just going to take it apart and change it and put the new one on. So we'll do that, and then we will work on the display after that. I just wanted to show this really quickly. So this side already got cleaned off. This side you can see it is pretty caked on there. Camera's not going to focus, probably because it's dark and I don't have the best lighting, but it's pretty caked on there. That's the main reason why you don't just hook up a used GPU and just start mining with it. You want to definitely clean them out, make sure there's no dust or anything as well. Use some of this stuff, the air in a can, if you run into those problems of having dust, and then also make sure you have thermal compound to put on to replace this old stuff that's just caked on there. So just wanted to show that. We'll get this done, and then we'll get the new display put up as well, and we'll see where we're sitting at. Alright, let me turn this on. That's also, this fan's a new addition just to help with the airflow. Temps have been a lot better ever since I added that, so super happy I did that. But got the riser, power cable, everything is ready. Got the new GPU that came in, got new thermal paste on it. Not new GPU, used GPU, sorry. And I will get it in this slot. I know everything's still running, so I'm going to shut everything down. And then once I get it shut down, we'll have the new GPU. And then instead of turning on with this monitor, we are going to try and get this hooked up. We'll do the 1000 watt power supply later, just because it's going to be a pain with all the cabling to go in and do all that right now. So we're just going to hook up the new GPU with the new screen, and we've got the new GPU plugged in. Fans are spinning. We're now going to shut it down right after I open up this guy right here. I'm super pumped for this. I've been wanting one of these for a while, so let's go ahead and get it opened up. CK. So we got a CD. Probably won't be using, hopefully it's not important for the setup. We got all of our cords here that we're going to need, plus screws. I want to mount it on the rig. I'm not entirely sure where yet, so I'm going to drill the holes once I figure out where I want it. So let's go ahead and get it out of the box. We'll see what's a good placement here. Get it out of this. Dun, da, da, da. Boom. So now we have this touch screen instead of using this big monitor over here. I'm not entirely sure how to hook it up, so that is the next project. Alright, so we have power. I just wanted to put it on this box just so that I'd have it here before I actually mount it on the rig. I just want to make sure everything worked what I needed to do. So first I just had HDMI plugged in and power. Power is USB to the motherboard. And then there's another slot for touch, for like the touchscreen part of it. And at first I thought it came with this little adapter. Can't really see it. This little adapter, HDMI to some micro USB port. That was not the case for touch, so you don't put this in touch and then you plug the HDMI in here. You do have to have a separate cable. So I luckily had another shorter USB to micro USB. So both of these are the same slots. They're being powered, and then the HDMI cable, and then we have touch screen. So I'll go ahead and show. So we have touchscreen feature plus power. So I'm going to figure out where I want to mount it on the motherboard. We will get it on there, and then we'll get everything up. Let's make sure that we'll go ahead and do this right here. So go into settings. Let's make sure that we're showing we have 6 plus 4, so 10. Let's go to about. Device manager. We will drop down display adapters. We're not showing, I can't focus. We're only showing 7 right now, so let's do a restart really quick. And I'll see you back in 3, 2, 1. And there we have it. We have all 10 1060s. My plan, tentatively, is to also, that new 3060 that I have, I'll probably put it on this rig. I do want to test it out and see if it is LHR, if it is an LHR. If it is an LHR, then it's going to be just mining Ethereum while I wait to fill this with the rest of the 1060s. And then if it is LHR, I was reading something about NB miner, so I'll just do a video about the 3060. We'll test out NB miner. If it is LHR, see what hash rate we can get with NB miner instead of T-Rex. And then if it just doesn't work out with NB, I don't know what we'll do. So we just may have to mine Ravencoin or Ergo or something. So sweet. I'm going to get this mounted. I think I'm going to try to flip the display, and then I'll probably put it right here, right on the bottom. I only need to do 2 holes since I already have one right here. I'll just take that one out, and then it will be for both of those. So that's my plan. We'll see how it goes. And once I get it mounted on there, then I will get things up and mining. Alright, there's a screen attached. I just did 1 screw here. I thought about taking the screw out here that I had and putting it through there, so then I'd have 3, and then another screw down here. I might still do that. I haven't decided yet, but it's pretty solid with just these 2 going diagonal. So we are now up and mining. Let's see if the camera will focus. The Zotac is typically lower, so like this one right here, the Zotac, it's normally around 17. Need to fix my overclocks, because one of these 1060s, it's only at 1957, so something's off there. They should all be pretty much about 23 to 24. I can push them up to 25, but I'm also wanting to be wise with power consumption. So that is officially it for this rig. We still need, I need to replace this one with a Gigabyte. This one I haven't decided yet how much I like it. I need to do a comparison review for this one versus the other Gigabyte one. And then we just need 2 more, and then this rig is finished officially. So I think that's going to do it. Thanks.